Hello there guys, welcome to Wix Ideas. I'm Walter, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a custom text highlighter on your Wix Studio website using a very short CSS code. I'm pretty sure you've been to websites and when you try to select a text, it just shows you the normal default text highlighter, which is blue. And this is actually a very nice way for you to know that you're selecting an item or selecting text on a website. But what if I told you that you can actually go from selecting text with the default highlighter to actually selecting with the color of your brand? As you can see, this website is kind of a purple, has a purple accent color. So you can just go ahead and change what the selection of the text look like, just as you're seeing right now. And I'm going to show you how to accomplish this using a very short line of code. Now this means that you can use the brand color to actually select the item. So when site visitors visit your website and they try to select an item, they are actually using your brand color. And before we get started in this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also leave a like in this video and leave me a comment if you think this feature is fantastic. Now, without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. Now the first thing I want to do is to head over to the code and start coding. Now here you can go ahead and click on start coding, and what you need to do is to head over to the global CSS. We're going to be using a short CSS code to achieve this. Here we are on the global CSS and we're about to start writing in our code, and what we need to do is to use the colon, and we're going to use the selection, and we're going to change the property of the selection. All right, so the first thing that I want to add is the background of the text when I begin to select it. So the color I'm going to use is my brand color, which is a purple color. So go ahead and actually add your brand color to your background, and then next I'm going to use the non-important keyword to make sure that this is set to a priority, and it's going to override any other settings that the Wix website currently has. And then next I'm going to also change the color of the text. When the background has been changed to purple, I want to set the color of the text to white. All right, so the color of the text has been set to white, and again I also want to make sure that the priority of this text color when it's selected is also set to a priority, and it's going to override any other settings. Now we're good to go, but one more important thing is that this works for most of the browsers, but it doesn't work for all browsers, especially for Firefox. So in order for you to make sure that this works for Firefox, we're just going to go ahead and copy and duplicate our code and paste it onto the next line. And here we're just going to change something, just one thing here. I'm going to add a dash and add Moz and a dash. Now this is going to make sure that it works on Firefox. So this is all the code that we need to add, and then next we're going to go ahead and preview our website. Now over here, when I go ahead and select any text, you can see that it has changed to the text or the color of my brand. Now you can go ahead and change the brand color, the background color, and also the text color to anything that you want, and it's going to be a fascinating experience for your site visitors. So I hope this tutorial was a massive help for you. If it was, let me know in the comment section what you think about this feature. And again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next tutorial.